Organic cotton. The organic cotton is soft and gentile on sensitive skin. 2-pack. The 2-pack of liners ensures you have a backup on laundry days. Absorbent and water-resistant. Absorbent organic cotton fabric and water-resistant backing removes the stress during diaper changes. Perfect fit. Size to fit on most changing pads and tables. Machine wash and dryer safe and less laundry. Liners are machine washable and the waterproof backing is safe in the dryer. Extend time between changing pad cover washes with changing liners. Top reviews from the United States. Best waterproof pads. These are our favorite waterproof liners and we use them everywhere. Super easy to clean, and although more expensive than others, the quality is great and worth it.